wild. I've never seen like fog like this.
Yeah.
What's up, y'all? Today we're chasing some smallies on the Buffalo River. So me and Chase taking a little day trip, and apparently there's a bunch of smallmouth in here. I've actually never fished the Buffalo for smallies before, so this will be new for me. Water levels looking amazing, and it feels super good out here right now. It's like 65 degrees. So anyways, let's get fishing. Oh, I wish something would just come crush that. Try this little craw thing out. Jig. You see one?
Yeah, he's in this deep.
Okay, yeah, he's back in the deep.
Yeah.
Right there.
Oh yeah, he's coming to it.
Oh, I saw him.
Yeah.
Oh. No, I was hooked on something.
Yeah,
He followed it.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
Oh,
Got one. Let's go.
not bad.
Let's go, Chase. The jig. They did not want the top water.
No, the jig might be the move.
Got him.
Dude, he ate it too.
Let's go. Put it there. First fish.
Yeah.
Skunks off, boys.
First buffalo smaller?
Yeah, first ever.
Really?
First ever buffalo smallmouth. All right, y'all. That's the first fish of the day. Got a good little smallmouth. Man, these fish are just so pretty. Look at that. It's just a little guy, maybe like a half pounder. So cool though. So he's just right in off that. There's a bluff right here, and then a little deep spot. He was chilling right there. Got him on the jig. Let's go, Chase. Come on. In there. Oh. I didn't mean to release him right there, but all right. That's fine. All right. See if I can get another. See if there's anything else in there. Fish right there. Trying out the little crawfish next. I got something. It's about the same size as the crawfish. Oh, it came off. It's like as soon as that hit the water, something ate it. You got one? Yes, sir. Let's go. What'd you get him on?
Just this little,
That craw.
yeah. Little weedless.
Weedless craw.
Weedless, weightless. Just popping it. Dude, this is what it's all about though.
That's
I
awesome.
don't care what size they are, these little smallmouth fun catch.
That's so fun. Sweet. Yes. Up on the board now. That's so fun. Love it. Just caught another one there.
They're small, but they're fun to catch. They fight good.
That one's so pale.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Cool looking though.
Yeah, that's a cool one.
They got fat little bellies on them.
Sweet. Number 3. God, they're so fast.
Dude, they are.
Look where he just went. He just went right behind that rock.
Mm-hmm. They're sitting in their little structures.
Dude, Chase, you're just slaying them.
Catch.
Oh, is that a chub or is that a smallmouth?
It's a smallmouth.
That one's tiny.
Yeah. Dude, we can catch these all day.
All right, get me on the board. I may need.
Smallmouth, getting
Yeah.
Wait, there's another one.
You were joking. Oh, I got one too. Oh no, I missed him.
We almost doubled.
We did almost double up.
I think there's just a bunch of little ones in this pocket.
Yeah, they're all little.
I don't even know if it's worth walking up there.
Gee, I don't know either.
Alright.
Oh. Oh. Sound a little better?
We're gonna catch one that's over a pound today.
Sweet, look at that.
Yeah, another tiny one.
Dude, you're slaying them on that little craw. I can't tell if that's a fish or... Yeah. Got him.
Number 2.
Alright, number 2.
Alright, we're about to start catching.
Yeah, we figured out what they're eating. Look at that little guy.
That's pretty cool.
Look how pale.
Yeah.
See you later. Oh yeah, it's a little guy. Oh yeah, that's nice.
Dude, I let him take it for a while. I just sat there and let it like slowly reel it in. I think we're gonna have a better chance.
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, he's got it.
Yeah, he's got that.
Dude, he was fighting it.
I know, little bitty guy.
Dude, that's
Wait,
a rock bass.
what is
That's
this?
a rock bass.
A rock bass. Look how red his eye is.
Yeah.
Weird.
And yeah, they don't get very long, but they get thick.
Get fat.
Mm-hmm.
All right, little rock bass. Get you back in there. Oh,
Oh,
there he goes. He's
just
good.
need a little help.
Yeah, there's like 4 fish right
Yeah.
there.
Oh, dude, there's like 10 of them.
Look, I'm swimming it right through him.
Yeah. Someone found
That one just went off his back. So, I don't think they want
I
that.
think they're just wanting to chill there.
Yeah. Let's go down some more. Alright, y'all. We just switched locations again. Chase got him one. That's a pretty good one.
Yeah, he fought the hardest. He's a little fat.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's a pretty good one.
Yeah.
Look at the colors, the spots on him.
Yeah, he's darker.
Got him. Yep. Ooh! Is he bigger?
I think.
That's a pretty good one right there.
Yeah.
What are you at now? 8?
That was yeah, that was 8. Number 8 on the day.
That's a good one right there.
Caught 11 total.
Chase just got him another one. Slaying him over here. That's sweet.
Yeah.
Check that out.
He's dark too.
Alright guys, well that's the end of today's video. Me and Chase ended up having a great time fishing on the Buffalo. Caught a ton of smallmouth. And like I said, that was my first time ever trying that out. So, super fun. Would do it again. Y'all stay tuned for some upcoming videos. We're going to have boat videos, duck hunting, deer hunting, more fishing. So definitely stay tuned for all of that. and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.